Jay Manufacturing Company, we are into leaf springs manufacturing as well as parabolic springs and air suspension and lift axles. I'm Lavesh Verma, Head of IT, Jamna Auto Industries. We are well-established brand in India and abroad. We are into markets in 65 years. Our annual capacity is around 3 lakh tons. We almost supply to all the OEMs companies and replacement market. So raw material being a high value item, so inventory planning has to be a part of any organization. Therefore, it is very important to have certain tool sets to reduce the cost of raw material from purchase, from production till dispatches, which we want to do. We opted Ramco as a part of this process, and we are happy that we are actually those results which result to as per the management objectives. The easy customization, which Ramco gives, easy interface, open interfaces to third-party application. After implementing of Ramco, we are experiencing robust reporting output. Reporting is one of the major key areas where we can use those information for business purposes. The most important part which has played an important role is Ramco support. We are experiencing the great team efforts being put in by the Ramco team.